Okay, we're going to start a new assignment called Most Wanted Toys, and the very first thing I need you to do is start Microsoft Excel. And then we're going to save the file. The first time you save the file, when you click on the purple save icon, it will ask you where you want to save it and what you want to call it. You will have Documents folder right here. I don't, so I'm going to hit Browse and select Documents right here. Get rid of Book 1. If you have a .xlsx, keep it. And you're going to call it whatever class that you're in. I'm going to pretend I'm in class 4B. I'm going to put my last name, my first name, and the word toys. And again, I'm saving it to my document folder. When I hit save, you will notice up here it says 4B, last name, first name, toys. And again, keep the .xlsx if you have it. Okay, so the next step that you're going to do is you can go to lesson 6th grade, scroll down, and go to Most Wanted Toys right here. If you wanted to read over this information that I'm going to read to you. But I'm going to go ahead and read it to you right now. Most Wanted Toys with dead batteries or alive. Okay, flip your imagination switch to the on position and pretend that you entered a contest at a local mall to win a $1,000 shopping spree. Imagine the surprised look on your face when you were called to the phone and told that you have won. But wait, the surprised look on your face turns serious when you learn that there is a catch. You are informed that the total cost of all the toys you select must not exceed, they must not go over, $1,000. Also, the total cost for all the toys you select must be between $995 and $1,000, or you lose everything. Okay, class. How big of a window do I have between $995 and $1,000? How big of a window is that? $5. Okay. Not a problem, you say. I have a secret weapon called a spreadsheet. I can make it do the math for me right down to the very last penny. Show me the money. And then you got to check for $1,000 right here. Okay. Here's what we're going to do now. We are going to write down this information right here. Name of toy, cost of each toy, quantity, and then total. So, I like to start in cell C3. I'm going to write name of toy. And then I'm going to hit the tab key. And then I'm going to write quantity. What does the word quantity mean?
Price. How much?
How many of each item? Very good. How much? I'm going to write price. And then I'm going to hit the tab key. And I'm going to write total. You will notice that name of toy did not fit. So I can go in between cells C and D and pull it over. So I want you to write name of toy starting in cell C3, which is right here. That'll give you some room above and some room going down the side. Okay, I noticed I made a small mistake. I actually wanted price to go here and quantity to go there. So if you've already typed these in, I'll show you a quick way to fix this. You can actually wait till you get a 4-way arrow and pull it out of the way. Go click on this one, wait till you get a 4-way arrow and pull it over there, and then go back to this one, wait till you get a 4-way arrow and drag it up there. Or you can delete them, either way. But I needed to say name of toy, price, quantity, and total. Okay, here's what I want you to do next. You are only allowed to buy 10 toys. That's going to be the rule. So we're going to number 1 through 10 going down the side here. there are two ways to do it. You can say 1, 2, enter, 3, enter, 4, enter, and you can keep doing that. And there's nothing wrong with numbering it that way. But I'm going to show you another way. You can say 1, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter. Now at this point, the computer recognizes a pattern. Microsoft Excel is really smart. It's guessing that you want a 4 here, but you have to help it out a little bit. You need to highlight 1, 2, 3. Grab the bottom right-hand corner. When it turns into a little plus, you can start pulling down 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Either way is fine. I don't care how you get that, but I need you to number 1 through 10 starting in cell B4. Go for it. Okay, now we're going to go shopping for our 10 toys, and this is how we're going to do it. I'm going to start Google Chrome, and I'm going to go to Walmart.com. Yeah, I want you to go to Walmart.com. Go ahead and take a moment. Okay, now even though we call this Most Wanted Toys, that does not mean you actually have to go buy toys. If you wanted to, you certainly could. In fact, it has this really cool drop-down menu. You can go to toys and video games, and you can go buy toys over here based on your age group. You get the idea. So I'll click on 12 plus real quick. Somewhere over here, I think you can choose just for boys or just for girls. You get the idea. But you can also go shopping for other stuff, okay? I mean, it can be the stuff that you're interested in. If you want a spinner, great. If you want a purse, awesome. If you want a paintball gun, I'm A-okay with that. But here's my rule. I got 2 of them. Rule number 1, no items over $100. So you're not allowed to have any items over $100. My second rule is, well, first I'll talk to the ladies. Ladies, we're not spending 28 minutes trying to figure out what color purse defines you as a person. You got like a minute or two. Pick a purse, write down the price. Gentlemen, we're not spending 38 minutes trying to figure out which paintball gun would best shoot your brother in the ear. Okay? You are going to pick a paintball gun and you're going to move forward. I'm going to go back to Walmart.com. Me, I like fishing, so I'm going to type in fishing real quick. And look, all kinds of neat stuff came up. Maybe I need a new fishing reel. So I'm going to go get this nice Shimano reel for $12.99. So I'm going to go back over here. I write in Shimano fishing reel. I hit the tab key. I type in 12.99. Now watch what happens when I hit enter. It doesn't really look like money yet. I'm going to show you right now how to get that. You can highlight all these cells and then go click on this $sign right here. Let me tell you why that's important. Let me undo that. What if I got something that's 10.00, $10? Well, when I hit enter, it just says 10. But if I can go make it look like money, then I'll have that $sign right there. Okay, go shopping for your 10 items, no items over $100, and write down the price. That's all you're doing for the remainder of the day. Okay, as you can see, I went to Walmart.com and I have my 10 items and their prices written down right here. Just a little heads up, having a few items that don't cost a lot of money, like candy or a watch band or colored pencils, is actually going to help you a little bit later. So if all of your items are $80 or $90, you're going to want to go get a few items that aren't nearly that price, like maybe a couple of $14 items or a $10 item or a $5 item. Okay, go ahead and go shopping and get all this done.